Good morning. Hello out there, vintage vacuum cleaner fans. Here today we have a Hoover Model 1070 from 1969. This was an eBay score. It was listed starting bid at $19.99 and I was the only bidder. This is almost a 50-year-old vacuum cleaner. 48 years to be exact. The only thing really wrong is the headlamp lens is warped from years of 25 watt bulb in there. It just heated up so much it warped it, but that's not a big deal. If I could find another one, I'm going to replace it. It's got its usual hood scratches and on the sides from normal general use, but overall it's a good vacuum. It's a metal based convertible, as they all were up until I want to say 1976, when they went to the plastic based convertibles and they dumped the original 2-speed motor and outfitted them with a new high performance motor, which I'm not too crazy about. I really love the original 2-speed motors the best on the metal base convertibles. This vacuum ran pretty good out of the box from the seller, but in the description it did say it was a little more noisy and probably could use some service. So that's exactly what I did. I took it down and pulled the top off, and I oiled the top sleeve bearing. I pulled everything out, the armature, the commutator, greased the lower bearings, cleaned the fan, put in new carbon brushes because the ones that were in there were pretty much used up. Pretty much nothing left. And did the basic cleaning up and had a lot of dust build up on the top underneath the hood, and that was pretty much it. Now it's running like it just left North Canton, Ohio, almost 50 years later. The only other issue with it is the down here, the zipper is starting to fray apart, but it's still operational. Just got to be gentle. If I can find another original bag, I'm going to change it, because the replacements now are all generic, one color, and this bag is awesome. I do have the detachment converter for it, as with but I don't use it as an above the floor cleaner. It's the best as a carpet cleaner. The agitation is just, you just can't beat it. And you know, it's not like it is today. It's all about, oh, I want the most suction. Oh, I want no loss of suction. Oh, you know, people, that's all a marketing gimmick. Suction is for, when you want strong suction, it's for above the floor cleaning, anything straight suction pipe, hard floor, you want straight suction. Your shop vac, you want strong suction. Those are straight suction vacuums. This is a carpet machine. It does well on the carpets. It's got good airflow, good agitation, metal beater bars, metal brush roll. It beats the carpet, it sweeps it, it cleans it. You just don't find that anymore. And it's just a marketing gimmick, you know. Oh, I want no loss of suction. Give me a Dyson, get me a Shark. Oh, Chinese made quality. You know, it's all garbage. You know, and that's what the consumer wants now. They just fall for the Chinese crap. I'd like to see a Dyson or a Shark cyclonic vacuum run for 50 years without any issues. I didn't even have to clean up this vacuum and it still would have run fine. But I get it, you know, needs its service. You want it to run better. You want it to run smoother. But these machines were made to be completely taken apart, serviced, put back together, and put back to work. These modern day Chinese communist garbage crap, they're not made for that. Something goes wrong, most likely the parts aren't even going to be available for them anyway. And yeah, you get a 5-year warranty on some of these cleaners, but if the vacuum's under warranty, they're not going to repair anything or replace anything if something breaks. They're just going to ship you a whole new vacuum straight off the Chinese Communist assembly line. And that shit just pisses me off. I know I'm venting a little bit, ranting, but I got to get it out there. You know, James Dyson and Mark Rosenjew from Shark, those idiots, they pretty much solved a problem that never even occurred. Oh, I don't want no loss of suction, blah, blah, blah. You know, I never heard anybody back in the day say, I wish this vacuum cleaner didn't have a bag. Once you want all your dirt and debris to go into a nice bag like this, and then when it gets full, you take it off and chuck it. No dirty dust cups, no dirty filters to replace. It's like you vacuum and then you have to make a mess again. What the hell is that? So anyway, I'm going to stop in the rant now. I'm sure everybody out there that watches these videos collects old vacuum cleaners that were made in USA, that were made to last, that are not throwaways, know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to give this a demonstration. See how well it cleans the carpet. See, my cat Susie, she knows what's good. Alright, here we go. Hoover Convertible model 1070 from 1969. Look at that agitation. I'd like to see a modern vacuum cleaner give you good grooming lines like this. Not happening. Alright, let's do a profile view. Doesn't that sound awesome? So there it is. Hoover Convertible model 1070. With just about all of its original parts. Like I said, I changed the brushes and so. Before I end this video, let's just listen to that wind-up sound. How good that sounds. It almost sounds music. Got a little growl in there. Rock and roll. Alright everybody, that's going to end this video. So, hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day, and thanks for viewing. Bye now.